Welcome to Healthcare Tips by Alina. Today, we'll explore the incredible health benefits of various berries, including blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries. Let's dive right in, beginning with the remarkable blueberry. Let's kick things off with a nutritional overview. Blueberries are loaded with vitamins and minerals, but what really sets them apart is their high antioxidant content, particularly anthocyanins. These antioxidants are the key to many of their health benefits. Brain health. Blueberries are like brain food. Research shows that they can improve cognitive function and memory. So, if you want to boost your brain power, including blueberries in your diet is a smart choice. Heart health. Next up, heart health. Blueberries are excellent for your cardiovascular system. They help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and can even decrease the risk of heart disease. A little berry with big heart benefits. Digestive health. If you're looking to improve your digestive health, blueberries have got your back. They're packed with fiber, which aids digestion and keeps things running smoothly. Plus, they promote a healthy gut microbiome. Weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is a common goal for many of us. Blueberries are a great addition to your weight management plan because they are low in calories and high in fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied. Skin health. Now, let's talk about something we all appreciate: beautiful and healthy skin. Blueberries are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that can help fight skin aging and maintain a youthful glow. Incorporating them into your diet can help your skin stay radiant. Immune support. In times when we're focused on staying healthy, blueberries play a crucial role. Their high vitamin C content supports your immune system, helping your body defend against illnesses and infections. A natural boost for your immunity. Anti-cancer properties. Research suggests that the antioxidants in blueberries have anti-cancer properties, potentially inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. While they're not a cure, including blueberries in your diet can be a small but significant step in cancer prevention. Quick and healthy recipes. Before we wrap up, let's share a couple of quick and healthy recipes that feature blueberries. From a refreshing blueberry spinach salad to a delicious blueberry oatmeal breakfast bowl, we've got you covered with ideas to make the most of these super berries. Now, let's turn our attention to the juicy world of strawberries. Rich in vitamins and nutrients. Strawberries are loaded with essential vitamins like vitamin C, which boosts your immune system, and vitamin A, which is beneficial for eye health. Antioxidant powerhouse. Strawberries contain antioxidants, including anthocyanins, quercetin, and ellagic acid, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Heart health. The high levels of anthocyanins in strawberries can reduce the risk of heart disease by helping to lower blood pressure and improve overall heart health. Improved digestion. Strawberries are a good source of dietary fiber, aiding in digestion, preventing constipation, and maintaining a healthy gut. Cancer prevention. The ellagic acid found in strawberries may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Anti-inflammatory properties. Strawberries have anti-inflammatory effects, reducing the risk of chronic diseases associated with inflammation. Weight management. With their low-calorie content and high fiber, strawberries can be a valuable part of a weight management plan, helping you feel full and satisfied. Skin health. The vitamin C in strawberries is essential for collagen production, contributing to healthier and more youthful-looking skin. Blood sugar regulation. Strawberries have a low glycemic index, which means they can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them suitable for people with diabetes. Improved cognitive function. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in strawberries may have a positive impact on brain function, potentially reducing age-related cognitive decline. Bone health. Strawberries are a source of essential minerals like potassium and manganese, which contribute to bone health and may help prevent osteoporosis. Asthma prevention. Some studies suggest that the high vitamin C content in strawberries may reduce the risk of asthma and its severity. Hydration and detoxification. Strawberries have a high water content, which can help keep you hydrated. Additionally, their antioxidants support the body's natural detoxification processes. Eye health. The antioxidants, including vitamin C and lutein, in strawberries can help protect the eyes from age-related conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Anti-aging effects. Strawberries' antioxidants may help reduce the signs of aging, such as wrinkles and skin blemishes, keeping your skin looking youthful. Stress reduction. The nutrients in strawberries, particularly vitamin C, can help reduce the effects of stress and improve your overall mood. Oral health. The malic acid in strawberries may help whiten your teeth naturally. However, it's essential to rinse or brush your teeth after eating them to prevent potential staining. Better hair health. The vitamin C in strawberries supports collagen production, which is vital for strong and healthy hair. Now, let's delve into the world of blackberries. Rich in antioxidants. Blackberries are packed with antioxidants, including anthocyanins, quercetin, and vitamin C, which help protect your cells from oxidative stress. Heart health. The high levels of anthocyanins in blackberries may help lower the risk of heart disease by reducing blood pressure and improving overall cardiovascular health. Improved cognitive function. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in blackberries may have a positive impact on brain function, potentially enhancing memory and cognitive abilities. Digestive health. Blackberries are a good source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and supports a balanced gut microbiome. Weight management. With their low-calorie content and high fiber, blackberries can be a valuable addition to a weight management plan, aiding in appetite control. Anti-inflammatory effects. Blackberries contain compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases associated with inflammation. Skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in blackberries can help maintain healthy, youthful skin by protecting against skin damage. Bone health. Blackberries provide minerals like vitamin K and manganese, which contribute to strong bones and may help prevent osteoporosis. Boosted immunity. The vitamin C in blackberries supports the immune system, helping your body defend against infections and illnesses. Diabetes management. The fiber in blackberries can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a suitable option for people with diabetes when consumed in moderation. Eye health. Blackberries are a source of lutein and zeaxanthin, which can help protect the eyes and reduce the risk of age-related vision problems. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that blackberries' antioxidants may have a role in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing the risk of certain cancers. Now, let's shift our focus to the delightful world of raspberries. Antioxidant powerhouse. Raspberries are rich in antioxidants like quercetin and ellagic acid, which protect your cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Heart health. The dietary fiber and potassium in raspberries support heart health by helping to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Improved digestion. Raspberries are high in dietary fiber, which aids digestion, prevents constipation, and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. Weight management. The high fiber content in raspberries helps control appetite, making them an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. Blood sugar regulation. Raspberries have a low glycemic index, helping to regulate blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Cognitive function. Some research suggests that the antioxidants in raspberries may support cognitive function, potentially enhancing memory and brain health. Skin health. The vitamin C in raspberries promotes collagen production, contributing to healthier and more youthful skin. Cancer prevention. Raspberries' ellagic acid is associated with inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. Hydration. Raspberries have a high water content, helping to keep you hydrated, especially during hot weather. Immune support. The vitamin C in raspberries strengthens the immune system, aiding your body in its defense against infections and illnesses. Eye health. Raspberries contain compounds like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions. Bone health. Raspberries provide vitamin K and calcium, which are essential for maintaining strong bones. Let me know how you incorporate these berries into your diet by sharing your creative ideas in the comments section below. Additionally, feel free to tell us what topics you'd like us to cover in our next video by leaving your suggestions in the comments. Your input is invaluable for shaping our future content. Conclusion. As we conclude our exploration of the incredible health benefits of blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries, we're reminded that nature's offerings are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can positively impact our well-being. Remember, whether you enjoy them as a snack, in a salad, blended into a smoothie, or incorporated into various recipes, these berries can be your allies in promoting a healthier, happier life. We'd like to extend our heartfelt gratitude for joining us today and being a part of our community. Your support and engagement mean the world to us. So, if you found this information valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. And, of course, keep those comments and questions coming. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay healthy, and let nature's gifts like these wonderful berries be your partners on your journey to well-being. Thank you, and see you in the next video.